Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create YouTube thumbnail by using Canva. So let's get started. Just follow my steps. Open your Chrome browser, select your profile, then you have to write in the URL box Canva or you can search Canva on Google. Uh, After opening the website, log in with your account. Then for creating YouTube thumbnail, to create a design, as you can see here on this option. Tap on it. Now, uh, you have to search YouTube thumbnail. You can search here, or you can directly go by clicking this arrow. And as you can see here, YouTube thumbnail, click on it. Now, as you can see here, you will see here two options, templates as well as styles. In the template section, you can select the template for your thumbnail. You can choose very minimal thumbnail or you can choose abstract thumbnail just like this, friends. So I will choose this one. This looks more formal. On clicking on it, you can adjust the font size here by clicking on text. You can also edit it by uh, rewrite or fix spelling error. You can make it. You can change the color as well as you can uh, change the font size as well as font structure. Then we'll tell you how to write text in it by clicking double tap on it. Tap backspace. Now, for example, I want to write my topic, create a thumbnail. Now, after writing create thumbnail, if you want to change the font size by clicking, you can clicking it right here. Just increase it, or you can also lessen your font size here. You can choose the which type of font you needed. For example, if I click on this curve display, as you can see here, my whole font is changed into curve display, or you can change it into any other as per your need. For example, I want this, create a thumbnail. It's look more shorter. I will choose this one. Now you can see here. Now, after doing changes, if you want to save this your thumbnail, but just go here, share. Now you can see this download option here. So click on download and your thumbnail. You can choose the size. For example, I need in 3 4K. So I will put the max size here and I will click to download. As you can see here, my thumbnail is downloading. And that's it, guys. Uh, that's all the tutorial how to create a thumbnail using Canva. I hope you like it, and I will come with more videos on Canva in my next videos. Thanks for watching.